Ready for some auction action? Estate sales are treasure troves. Follow me as we head into an estate sale to score unbelievable deals. See that vintage lamp? It's got resell potential written all over it. But how do we make sure we win it without breaking the bank? First tip, arrive early. Early birds get the best view. Scout the items you want before the crowd rushes in. Now, let's talk strategy. Set a budget. Decide how much you're willing to spend on each item. It's easy to get carried away. Notice how I'm eyeing that antique clock? I've researched its market value. Always know your item's worth before bidding. Here comes the auctioneer. Keep calm and focus. Timing is everything. Bid confidently, but don't reveal all your excitement. Be aware of your surroundings. Watch other bidders. They can give clues about when to bid and when to hold back. Let's bid on this painting. Start low but reasonable. If it's too low, you might lose credibility. Find that sweet spot. Got competition? Don't panic. Stick to your budget. Remember, there are always more sales and more deals. Winning that bid feels amazing, right? But don't rush. Make sure you inspect your item before finalizing the purchase. Look at this vintage jewelry box. Always check for hidden damages or repairs. It impacts the resell value significantly. See how I'm checking the bottom of this vase? Marks and signatures can tell you a lot about its authenticity and value. Don't ignore the smaller items. They often get overlooked but can be gold mines for reselling. Keep your eyes open. Finished shopping? Time to pay. Bring cash. Many estate sales don't accept cards, and cash might get you a better deal. Load up, but handle your treasures with care. Some items are fragile and could lose value if damaged during transport. Do you feel that rush? Estate sales are thrilling. Keep coming back. The more you go, the better you get at spotting deals. Join a local auction group. Networking with other hunters can give you insider tips and first dibs on hot sales. Now it's time to list your finds online. Clean them up, take good photos, and write detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Research where to sell your items. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and local marketplaces can be great for different kinds of goods. Stay patient. Sometimes the right buyer takes time. Keep your items listed and update them regularly for better visibility. Watch market trends. Knowing what's in demand can help you decide when to sell and get the best price for your treasures. Keep learning. Read books, watch videos, and talk to other resellers to improve your knowledge and skills. Remember, estate sales aren't just about reselling. They're also about finding unique pieces that tell a story. Always be respectful at these sales. You're stepping into someone's life history. Handle everything with care and respect. Feeling inspired? Your next great find is just around the corner. So get out there and start hunting. Excited to try these tips? Estate sales are waiting for you. Get your strategy ready and happy bidding. Why wait? Estate sales are happening every weekend. Grab your chance to find hidden treasures and make some profit. Got your game plan? It's time to put it to the test. Head out to the next estate sale and start bidding smart. Every estate sale is a new adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows what amazing deals you'll uncover next. Happy hunting! Remember, the key to successful auction hunting is research, strategy, and a bit of luck. Now go score those deals.